Hi everybody, good morning. Welcome to the club 6:45. It's a 10 minutes pasha or the flow when you feel lazy and you in the mood to skip the practice. I know next 2-3 weeks could be like this. So I hope this mini practice will be useful for you. And here we go. We're gonna start with, actually let's do sitting, legs crossed in front of you. And we're gonna warm up the wrist first. And first, you're gonna then connect like this way, and you're gonna grab the lock like this way. And you're gonna go show in and kind of out to you and opposite. Такий ось розігрівчик для наших wristів. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Then stay here. Bend them like this and just a little bit from side to side. Stay, be with the lock. If you cannot extend fully or it's somehow, I know especially for men, you can stuck here, that's fine. That's good. The main thing is like try to connect the palms. And after we go to the classic eagle hands. And now first of all, you're going to lift them as high as possible. Inhale. Exhale. You're going to drop them down as much as possible as well. And you can feel a stretch. And again, up. And exhale down. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Last but not least, inhale. And exhale. After this, you're gonna drop them to one side, just arms. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center, inhale. Exhale, other side. One more time, inhale, center. Exhale, you go with a side stretch. Remember to stay with both sit bones on the mat. Let me know if you tried first time the stretch for your wrists and upper body like this way. Well done. Then we switch the lock and do in and out. Let me know how you would call this wrists. I don't know how to call it. We need to create the name for this movement. Well done. Stay here and a little bit in and out. After eagle, inhale, up, exhale, down. Again, 3 more. Exhale, 2. Exhale. Well done. One more time. Exhale, and side. Big soreness. And with a side stretch. Center, 2 and a side. Well done. Now we're gonna classic wrist lock and we're gonna do the waves. It could be sitting or you can stand up on knees and do like this way. And in a way that when you're up, I as well want to warm up front line more, especially if you sit a lot. I slightly go back and then I drop. Yeah, like this way. If you decided to do sitting or as well, you can do it standing. Good thing next time you do this class again, you can try another version of this movement. And then few times. Reverse. Yeah, it's on every level it feels different. Well done. Or you can do as well right here. And remember to hide kind of your ears from me. Well done. And now hands here and we pump back 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. I hope my mic is working. 2, 1. And now we position. So diagonal. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And lower. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Then we go to the short plank. And option 1, we do cat-cow here with active knees. Option 2, easy peasy version is with knees on the floor. Well done. More harder version, especially if you struggle with any kind of handstand and strength part and you don't want to do much today. But the thing is, like about strength, you need to do it daily. And the day you skip, then you need 2 weeks to return to that. That was happened to me. With handstands, I still cannot get back to the shape with that. So we go from cat, and you're lowering the elbows and come back. Come and elbows. As well, you can put the yoga block between your elbows and do it with the block. And 2 and 1. And we stay now in chaturanga with knees down, and you just hold and try to stay here at least 10 seconds, no matter how, but try to hold. And the main thing is round the back, maybe not too low, but where you can still keep your glutes and your head on one line. Maybe look down. 4, or here 3, 2, 1. Upper facing dog. Exhale, lower your belly down, and hands could be here or could be here, doesn't matter which way, but we do slight kind of back bend back. It could be cobra, could be sphinx, because it's very good for your body. And after, we go with the hands on your neck like this way, and you're gonna elevate just elbows. 10, 9, 8. You can do it all the way through the floors, or for example, you leave your head down and you elevate only elbows, or you could be above the floor and you anyway elevate only elbows. 4, 3, 2, then extension, and we do same palms we did sitting, but now like this. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the cactus. Just hold and maybe add the legs. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done. We go to the elbow plank. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, forward plank. Step with the leg on a side. Again, bounce. 4, 3, 2, 1. Few circles forward. 3, 2, 1. Then we rotate to the side. Hold here, or you can grab the lock. Remember, this arm should be straight behind. 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we go to Trikonasana, or any side stretch variation you can imagine here. 4, 3. If it's too easy, you can be still in the bend, but remember to not be here. You want to think about this inner part up. 3, 2, 1. From here we go to the Skandasana. 4, 3, 2, 1. Always stay here, or we do 4 times back and forth. Well done. Step back, chaturanga, upper facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Step to another leg. Bounce first. Something happened with my tapes these days. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and circle forward. 3, 2, 1. After we bounce, and maybe here. 4, 3, 2, 1, and then or Trikonasana like this way, or like this way, or in a bend. Optional. 4, 3, 2, 1. Skandasana. Breathe in and stay here, or little movement. 4, 3, 2, 1. And after this, we come back to the lounge. Step back, chaturanga. And now try to stay in chaturanga for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, push out back. 10 seconds in a plank. And we're almost done. Well done. After this, we go to the back. And you bring the glutes up. Stay here. Or bridge in your practice. Go to the wheel pose. Stay a little bit. Bounce forward. Remember about your thoracic spine. Don't bend only here. Yeah, you want to bend here as well. And engage thoracic spine. Так, включаємо грудний відділ. 3, 2, 1. Lower yourself down. Happy baby pose. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hug both knees. And we finish this practice with little budget massage time. And a few circles from left to the right. Extend the legs. And please add some footwork. Flex and point. Few circles. Both direction. And remember to engage your beautiful muscles around the knees. And maybe after this you can be a little bit here. Or if you have power, I suggest you just finish like 10 seconds in a candle pose. Тепер можна свічечку тут потримати. Можна зі спинкою, підтримкою. Теж тягнемо колінка і стопи теж дотягнули. And then slowly come back to the mat. Inhale, hug the right knee. Exhale, spine twist. Hope you enjoyed this fast and effective flow for lazy days. And slowly up. And if you're looking for Navasana or visit, and especially you need a test, are you able to do it? Because, for example, this jumps back, або ці проброси, та, бо ви мене запитували за це, за штанги, так, дуже тренді. Дуже важливо дізнатися, наскільки у вас є оцей діастаз. Зараз ще раз нагадаю швиденько. Та лягаємо зі зігнутими колінами. Робимо вдих, видих, піднімаємо лопатки та й підборіддя до корпусу. І вставляємо ось так от руку в пупок. І можна відчути, наскільки, можна, по-перше, дізнатися, що у вас є прес. Навіть якщо його іноді не видно, зараз от його можна там все провідчувати. Ось, і якщо у вас відстань між цими двома полосками, десь більше, ніж палець, 2 пальця, то тоді я би уникала таких глибоких задіювань м'язів, або просто знала про те, що воно може ще збільшитись, цей проміжок та діастаз може ще розширитись, якщо ви будете тренувати глибокі м'язи кору і так далі. Про це треба знати. Тож, дякую всім за практику. I will save it up and have a lovely day. Let me know if you have any questions. And see you tomorrow. І також ще приєднуємось до клубу ЮА. Є марафон. Нещодавно закінчився, але він у доступі. Є якраз 3 сходинки, тож можна не боятися приходити і починати спочатку, і потрошечки там у нас йде все ступенчато. Зараз готую святкову програму на січень, але теж дивлюсь по дівчатам, бо в нас такий як індивідуальний менторинг такий більш-менш там. І я дивлюсь по тим, хто взяв і річні підписки, і місячні, бо квартальні, і таке все є. Річна діє до 31 грудня, і також, якщо треба розсрочка, або, як можна сказати, забронювати це до 31 грудня, і там далі можна виплатити до десь кінця лютого. Ось, такі справи. Все, дуже дякую, до зустрічі.